Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the automatic emails and the marketing automations that we have built into the platform. So it's under your campaigns tab in your back office. Click automatic emails and you see a whole bunch of different emails that are that's maybe set up or not set up for you in your app. I'm just going to quickly go over them and I'm going to expand on a couple of them. So birthday emails, this is pretty straightforward. If you collect the birthday information of your customers, you are able to send a birthday email to them on their birthdays. Along with the birthday email, you can send a coupon. So you can set up an automated coupon to go out with the birthday email. We can go into this. We'll go into this a little deeper on a different video, but just giving you a high-level overview of all the different types of emails that you've got. So you've got the birthday email. You've got an email when you're close to your next level of reward. So if you're using different reward levels, you can send an email when your customers are close to the next level. We've got the date email. This is new, so this is something that I'm going to come back to after going over all of these things. Really cool feature here. Days after registration. Again, these are drip campaigns, so these are automations that you can set up and have the system take over from there. And you can have multiple emails. What the drip means essentially is that you can set up an email to go out a specific number of days after somebody downloads the app. Okay, in this example, we've got 2 days, 4 days, so essentially you could go 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. You can set up as many as you want, and these emails will go automatically on those when those triggers are hit. You've got an email that goes to your the admin of the app when a new account is created, so that they would know that people are actually downloading their app. You can send out an email when there's been no activity in the app for whatever period of days you specify. So in this example, it's 45 days. You can make it whatever, 90 days, 60 days, whatever you want to make it, and a custom message can go out to them. These ones were used previously when we had receipt submissions. Not really in use anymore, but it's still there. You've got your receipts been submitted and approved. Here's one when a stamp card has been punched. You can send out an email. When you've got clients who have rewards that are unused for over, for 30, 60, or 90 days, there's specific emails that go out for those, each separate one. And you've got a welcome email. This is an email that goes out to everybody that downloads the app. I'm just going to show you this again. Again, all this stuff is customizable. You can also send out a coupon with this one if you want, like a welcome coupon, for example, $5 for downloading our app, whatever that would be. You can create an automated coupon there again and attach it to this email. And how these coupons work, basically, you'd have to have a coupons button on your home screen somewhere, and once they get this email, that coupon will now become active in their on their coupons page. Okay, let's go back. So those are there's one more here. Welcome email from admin. This is an email that's sent out to your customers when you manually add them into your database. So if you add a person manually right here, you will send an email that's coming from the administrator with different information than the regular welcome email. This email will have your client's username, their password, and a link to your app by Apple and Android. And where this would be used, for example, is if you're asking a client to download the app and they're busy, they didn't bring their phone, whatever the case is, you grab their name and email and you add them into your customer list up here, and you will see a link. I will just add John Doe so you can see what you should see. John Doe 33 at gmail.com. Enter a password 1234. They can obviously change it when they get their link. I'm just going to hit submit here. And you will now see John Doe at the top of my list. And here you see this link, shoot admin welcome mail. The system knows that this person has not downloaded the app. You see the other guys here? That link is not there because all of these people have downloaded the app actually. So you click this, you click on this link, and that welcome email from admin will shoot out to this specific email address. And they will have your information how to download your app and participate in your rewards program. Okay, so going back to your emails here, I want to expand a little bit on the date emails and the drip emails right now. So the date email basically allows you to add an email for a specific date in the calendar year. So again, you can put your subject, who it's coming from, the email it's coming from, and then obviously the content you want. but you would put in, for example, you want to send out an email on Valentine's Day, right? You'd create an email for Valentine's Day. You could set up an email for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for Black Friday, any specific day of the year. You pick a month and a day of that month, and now that email will automatically go out on that specific day. So this is a really cool thing. Again, it's an automation, and these are the kinds of things that business owners like to have, systems that do the work for them, right? So this is something that you can really use to promote the date email. You can also use the drip email. So you hit the add button. Again, all this stuff is customizable, manageable, and then basically you put your content in here, and then you put the amount of days after someone registers. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Lots of use cases for this, that I can think of off the top of my head. So this is something that, again, it's a really powerful tool. You just set this up once. And once it's set up, the system takes over from there. So these are really cool and powerful tools that's built into the platform, and something that you guys can use to maybe close a sale, or as something that would entice a customer to accept your proposal. And the last email we're going to look at is in the punch card. So these are all automated in the campaigns, but you've got emails in your punch card as well. Let's go to your stamp card here, and you can see right here, set automatic auto email. What that means basically is you can set an email to go out for when a specific number of punches has been reached. So let's say you've got, buy 9 and you get your 10th free, right? So you can say right here, again, customizable, blah, 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 your content, and then you've got, you're very close to earning a free pair of jeans, a free coffee, whatever that is. You got the placeholders here. You can say you've earned 8, you've only got 2 to go, or whatever you want in your email, and then this will send an email for that specific punch card. So again, it's managed in the punch cards. It's set automatic emails, and each punch card can have one automatic email going out for that specific card. So those are some of the features that we've got in the platform for you. I know we've got a lot here to digest, but these are really cool things to have and use in your sales pitches. Again, if you got any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.